Hello children, welcome to the class. Today we will learn about the heritage sites in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh there is Jhansi Ka Kila, that is fort of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Jhansi is a historical city, lies in the region of Bundelkhand. It is situated between the Paunch rivers. Jhansi fort or Jhansi Ka Kila is a fortress situated on a large hilltop called Bangira. It is served as a stronghold of the Chandela kings in Balwant Nagar from 11th through the 17th century. The Panchmahal. Panchmahal is a palace in Fatehpur Sikri. The Panchmahal, meaning five-level palace, was commissioned by Akbar, renowned for its exceptional architecture. Devgarh monuments. Devgarh is a village in Lalitpur district of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It is located on the right bank of Betwa river and to the west Lalitpur hills. It is known for Gupta monuments and for many ancient monuments of Hindu, Jain origins inside and outside of the walls of the fort. Akbar's tomb. Akbar's tomb is a tomb of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. This tomb is an important Mughal architectural masterpiece. It was built by his son Jahangir and is situated in 119 acres of grounds in Sikandra, a suburb of Agra in Uttar Pradesh. The tomb is engraved with Hindu swastik symbol on the walls. Allahabad Fort. It is a fort built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar at Allahabad in 1583. The fort stands on the banks of the Yamuna river near its confluence with the river Ganges. Sarnath Stupa. Dhamek Stupa is a massive stupa located at Sarnath, 13 kilometers away from Varanasi in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Stupas originated as pre-Buddhist tumuli in which ascetics were buried in the seated position called Chaitya. The Dhamek Stupa was built in 500 CE to replace the earlier structure commissioned by the great Mauryan king Ashoka in 249 BCE to commemorate the Buddha's activities in this location. Stupas originated as circular mounds encircled by large stones. King Ashoka built stupas to enshrine small pieces of calcinated bone and other relics of Buddha and his disciples. An Ashoka pillar with an edict engraved on it stands near to this site. In Bihar, the heritage sites are Nalanda University, tomb of Sher Shah Suri, Ashoka pillar and Mahabodhi temple. The Nalanda University, it is also known as Nalanda International University and Research Intensive University, which is located in the historical city of Rajgir in Bihar. It was established by an act of parliament to emulate the famous ancient university of Nalanda, which functioned between 5th and 13th centuries. It is exclusively a graduate school currently offering master courses with PhD programs. Tomb of Sher Shah Suri is in the Sarsam town of Bihar. The tomb was built in memory of the Emperor Sher Shah Suri, a Pathan from Bihar, who defeated the Mughal Empire and founded Suri Empire in northern India. Ashoka Pillar, Anand Stupa. The pillars of Ashoka are a series of columns dispersed throughout Indian subcontinent. They are erected or at least inscribed with edicts by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka during his reign. Ashoka used the expression Thamba, that is pillars of Dharma, to describe his own pillars. Mahabodhi temple. It is literally meaning Great Awakening Temple or the Mahabodhi Mahavihar is an ancient temple or the Mahabodhi Mahavihar. It was much rebuilt and restored Buddhist temple in Bodh Gaya, making a location where Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. The temple is called as Dhumka. The Maluti is a small village near Shikaripura in Dhuma district of Jharkhand. It was built under the Baj Basanta dynasty. The area has 72 old temples which are edifices of the kings of Pala dynasty. They portray various scenes from Hindu mythology including Ramayana and the Mahabharata. There is Palamu Fort. The Palamu Fort are two ruined forts located around 20 kilometers southeast of Daltonganj city, located around 20 kilometers. The old fort in the plains which existed even before the Chera dynasty was built by the king of Raksil dynasty. In Odisha there are Vikram Khol caves, Jagannath temple and Dhauli, the site of Kalinga war. Vikram Khol or Bikram Khol cave is a prehistoric archaeological site known for prehistorical inscriptions. These inscriptions at the cave is written on the uneven rock surface in a natural rock shelter using red oak paint which is located later incised in the rock. There are two theories regarding the inscription. One declares it as a writing while others doubt it as a rock art, non-literate rock carvings which resembles Brahmi script. Jagannath Temple. Sri Jagannath Temple is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Jagannath, a form of Vishnu in Puri in the state of Odisha. On the eastern coast of India, the site of the earlier temple was built by the king Anantavarman Chodaganga Deva, the first king of Eastern Ganga dynasty. Dhauli. It is located on the banks of river Daya 88 kilometers south of Bhubaneswar in Odisha. Dhauli hill is presumed to be the area where the Kalinga war was fought.